When looking for the right type of technology to store and preserve cells, life science researchers depend on quality and efficiency. Introducing PHCbi brand's latest compact ULT freezers, engineered from the inside out to create, maintain, and restore precise temperatures. Due to their unique size and ergonomic design, both freezers offer flexibility for a variety of uses and provide reliable, quality cell preservation. You get the convenience of having cold storage access right at your workbench without having to share space or spend time walking to another location. A key highlight is the magnetic packing gasket and patented latch that help the freezers maintain temperatures as low as -86 degrees Celsius. Both ULT freezers are equipped with an insulated locking lid with magnetic gasket sealing, which reduces changes to interior temperatures during routine openings. Our products are purpose-built to support life science applications and leverage quality materials to create advanced, sustainable solutions. All of the latest features are driven by the Japanese philosophy of continuous improvement, also known as Kaizen, that PHCbi brand products bring to the market. Our ULT freezers are trusted worldwide for their quality and reliability, both in clinical and research settings. Visit us online today to learn more about PHCbi brand's full portfolio of ULT freezers.